What's up, everybody? My name is Patrick. Today we're going to be unboxing this mini train set. I know I unboxed this in another video, but this is to be normally exact how it says. So, first of all, at the box, let's talk about it. That's what we always talk about first. It's the Mini Trains 1220 Editions Atlas Collections. And it's here, says at the bottom as well. And nowhere else. If you flip to the back side, you can see it says Flying Scotsman. And this is actually, flip it over, read closely, it says 2011. So it's 11 years old, guys. It's 11 years old. Quite old. It's old as me, so yeah. Let's open this up. Yeah, this comes with it as well. On here it says Flying Scotsman. It is King's Cross, London, 10 AM every weekday. And here is the loco itself. The train, as I suppose. So, it has the LNER coaches, which has a brake coach and a normal coach. And this is the LNER, well, you know, the tender. And this is the A1 Flying Scotsman, which was on the USA tour back in the 1969 and 1970s, which has the 4472 number on it, which is from the USA tour. It doesn't have the USA tour things though, because you know that would be more. It would cost more than £10 plus £3.50 shipping on eBay. That's all. Let's talk about the track. So this is the track. It's Z scale. This is a Z scale locomotive, as it can. Look how thin that is. It is very thin. It can attach simply like this. Boom! It's attached like a puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle, for example. And now let's get to coaches. So number one, we have the brake coach, which has so much detail in it. It really doesn't have the bogey effect. Some buffers at the end, but no hook. It only has a thingy here to keep it. It has one of these things there, so not make it hollow. It does have an undercarriage. It has the lovely roof, which is actually detailed. You can see some doors there. 4 doors on each side. There's 4 doors on this one carriage. And now this is the coach itself, which is the regular coach. There's also 4 doors. Has a sandy tool on the top and no interior on both of these coaches. Which is sad, no bogey effect on here. You get buffers. Both of them have. There's the hook effect for this car, and this is the hook for the tender. So for example, let's go here, touch it like this. And it just sticks. And yes, this video is staged, so I did put this in before the video. And then now we have the tender. It's quite nice. It has buffers there. That's like good buffers. There's the doorway thing. There's the collar center cap, the filling cap. It also has the LNER outlines. By the way, this train is also the same train you can drive in Train Sim, made by 3,583 bytes. You can actually play the game and actually go drive this train, but the only thing it's missing is the white outline, like all LNERs do. Well, not every exact one, but the apple green ones, I guess. There's also another LNER one right here. Which is also nice. So yep, that's tender. Also have this thing to couple up the hook right there for the car and for the train. And this is the steam locomotive itself. It moves. These actually move. This is just one single rod like the E2. if you look closely there, it's just one single rod, which is actually quite common for Atlas models, especially for the steam trains. I don't know who wants to deal with that stuff, because yeah, no interior in here. That's what I told you. There's Flying Scotsman on there, and the other side. And this headboard right here says Flying Scotsman. It has the smoke box door, which is a very nice detail. And yeah, that's the 44721 right there. Has the back wheel like it's supposed to. It's the wheel detail, and that's the whole model train. So now let's get it out of the box and make the track. Before, let's start on the. Let's take out one track. Can't take that. I'm just gonna use a piece of plastic. No, it won't damage it. It doesn't damage it. So let's get you out. So Flying Scotsman, it says on here. If you don't know, Flying Scotsman. The track right there. It does have some actual like realism to it. Now, perfect. Done. That is now done. Perfect. Now let's put this away and get to another camera angle. So first of all, let's get the coaches in easily. They actually run on the track easily. I'll quickly get the other coach and connect. They're not the same height though, if you actually noticed. That's why that happens. So that's the coaches just on the track. Now let's get the tender out. As you can see, there's detail. It's hard to see because the camera's a little weird. That's nearly done. Now it's just a locomotive left. Oh yeah, it does move on there as well, but it's not a toy. Look at that. It's now on it. Wait a minute. Look, now that's on the track. By the way, when I got this, there's this little thing on the box that says, is it small scale model for adult collectors? And on top of this bit, right? That's what it says. It says a small scale model for adult collectors. Keep out of reach for children under 14. Scale Z. No, I am 10 years old and I love collecting models. So I am not actually. Well, the only thing I'm going to keep it out of reach is my little siblings. That's something I'm going to keep it out of reach from. So I know that I'm for 100% sure going to try to steal it. So this is the Flying Scotsman model. It's very nice. This one that has its coaches with it as well. Has some lovely buffers. That actually also nice if you look. Wait a minute. Let's get this can away. So that's. And also compare. Wait a minute, let me just move this couple. Yeah, soon I might also get a mallard. Look at it compared to the Norwich City Class B17 or Class B. It is tiny. It's like a Z scale, so it's that big. And then compared to my 9F Evening Star, it's quite tiny. It's like different forms. 1 form, 2 form, 3 form. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.